Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you the best raw Accel and angle snapping guide for Valorant. So basically when setting this up, we have our personal preferences. So I suggest using something like linear or classic under the drop down menu. And the first thing that we are going to edit is the sense multiplier. So you want to set this to your base speed. For example, if you want a lower base sensitivity for micro adjustment, you want to try using something like 0.5. But if you're happy using your base sensitivity, you could just leave this at default. Now, for acceleration, you want to start low around 0.05. This indicates how quickly the speed increases as you move faster. And for the cap output, you want to set a limit so your sensitivity doesn't become uncontrollable during fast flicks. Now, a cap of 1.2 to 1.75 is a common value, so you want to go ahead and use numbers between those. In my case, I'm going to use the default one, which is 1.4. And for the input offset, this setting, for example 15, determines the minimum speed required before acceleration kicks in, preventing jitter during low and precise movement. So you could just set this according to your preference, and basically from there you are good to go. Now on your mouse software, you can simply look for something like angle snapping or prediction if your mouse supports that. And inside the Valorant options, you want to ensure that the row input buffer is turned on under the general game setting. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.